Connect with your international clients seamlessly and efficiently, no matter where they are in the world. Twilio offers a robust, cloud-based platform that simplifies global calling, ensuring reliable connections and clear audio. To begin, you'll need a Twilio account. Visit the Twilio website and complete the quick sign-up process. Once logged in, your main console dashboard displays essential credentials. Keep this console handy as we proceed. Next, let's acquire a Twilio phone number from your console. Navigate to the phone numbers section via the left menu. Choose a number from the desired country your clients are in, ensuring it has voice capabilities enabled for calling. With your Twilio number ready, you can initiate international calls. Twilio handles complex routing, ensuring your call reaches its global destination. When making an international call, always use the 164 format +, followed by the country code, then the area code, and finally the local number. Twilio simplifies global client communication, making it reliable and efficient. Start connecting with your international clients today.